Hi there, my name is Ramona, and I was diagnosed with SIBO in the spring of 2018. And two things you should know about me is that I have an insatiable thirst for knowledge. And when I want to know about something, I will not stop until I figure it out. And I have to say that served me very, very well throughout this SIBO journey. But a big part of that was due to Siobhan and all the amazing resources that she has created at SIBO SOS. I literally probably now have spent hundreds of hours, if not more, diving into SIBO. I jokingly say that I'm a walking SIBO encyclopedia, for those of you who still know what those were. But again, that couldn't have happened without the amazing resources at SIBO SOS. I swear to God, I spent hours late into the night watching summits, listening to master classes, driving in my car, listening to the podcast, and absorbing everything that I could like a sponge. And that has served me so well because I've been able to advocate for myself in medical appointments. I've been able to steer my treatment. I've saved so much money by knowing what testing is necessary, what treatments are necessary. And, it's just enabled me to help other people who are walking this same SIBO path by sharing the information that I've learned with them. Because let's face it, it's still such an unknown, and so many doctors, practitioners just don't even know what the heck it is. So honestly, guys, it's up to us to become our own, our own best resource. And I cannot stress that enough, that, you must really dive into this. You have to learn what you can about this, again, so you can ask intelligent questions and really be a team player in your care. So Siobhan, to you, to your team, I cannot thank you enough for everything you've done. I mean, it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. And the hours that I've saved, having everything in one spot and not having to search here and there, it's just been a blessing. So thank you. Keep doing what you're doing, because you definitely are making, such an impact in the lives of other people out there who are walking SIBO, IBS, and other GI disorders, and we need this. So thank you.